Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. This is just a quick guide for anyone who has an internet connection that slows down after it's been on for a considerable amount of time. So for example, if you go to speedtest.net, you do a check, you get something like this, and you check back in about an hour and it's dropped, maybe by 50% or more. So it basically comes down to the fact that Windows is using the wrong driver or a driver with bugs. So to fix it, you need to head on over to your manufacturer page, so either your motherboard or your computer. Go to the support section, drivers and tools, then download the latest LAN drivers. So once you have those on your computer, go to Start, right click the Start menu, open Device Manager, then open your network adapters and right click on your main adapter, select uninstall device, and then do the same for all the other ones below. You can leave your Bluetooth adapter, that's fine. And once you've uninstalled them all, disable your internet connection entirely, so you can just turn it off down here or straight from the router. Then install your driver that you downloaded earlier, so this file here. And once you've got that installed, restart your computer, turn your internet connection back on, and the problem should be fixed. Your network connection speed will stay close to maximum. Anyway, that's it for this guide. Thanks for watching. See you next time.
Download source.net